PNC in BWU. I'm from Indonesia. And then, yeah, I feel so interested with the culture of Indonesia. That's similar with the Indonesian culture and Kalimantan and the clothes. We name it tenun or songket. Yeah, songket. Similar motif, similar color also. I will ask you, what the biggest challenge to preserve the culture among the Z generation? Yeah, because yeah, in Indonesia it's so hard. Yeah, the biggest challenge. Thank you.
Thank you so much. In 2018, I went to Indonesia and I set foot in Kalimantan. Yeah, I visited the weaving house. It's a very big weaving center in West Kalimantan. And that's the very first time that I ate snake there in Kalimantan. Yeah. Actually, even not for the Taboli, even the Filipino, generally, we face several challenges. Yung kung tayo ng mga Pilipino, hindi na natin alam yung kultura natin. Tama ba? Because in this 21st century, with your generation, sometimes media and everything could mas malaki yung attention natin. So bagay, some would say, kultura lang yan. We could learn that from social media, we could learn that on YouTube. But I think for the Taboli people, the biggest challenges that we are facing right now is the interest of the younger generation. Yeah. Secondly is the appreciation as well. Kasi I do believe, the moment you appreciate culture, next to that, you learn to love culture. Yung parang, di ba, kung manligaw ka, i-appreciate mo naman yan muna before doon sa gusto kita. Tama ba? O, ang ganda ng hair niya, ang ganda ng mata niya, parang ganun. Pag ang kabataan, na-appreciate, ay, ang ganda ng design ng tinala. And that's the time for them to visit the Living Tradition Center. That is why, Mom, in Lake Cebu, kung narinig mo yung talk ko, we have the Living Tradition Center across Lake Cebu. At least yung mga kabataan, just papasok lang doon, anyway, it's free. Yeah, walang bayad ang kultura, it's free. So, it's up to them to learn, but on our effort, kahit na ako, Ma'am, I'm just in my middle age, it's really my desire na hindi makalimutan talaga ng kabataan. So, yun. And I think to bridge that gap, no, kailangan mag-hands-on talaga tayo sa pagtuturo ng ating sariling kultura. So, let's hear from Igas, no, Igas sa translate mo sa kanya. That is from the elders' point of view. Diba? Ito sa mga loob ko, maan, di ka bufa, di oras ni, bakit kung bufa ko bakit kulong ko dispondino, ana, magkakabente.
Aman, kayo kung naman ito yung buo. Kung maalat taganayan, nakapipot mo Diyos ko. Nakapag pa na ako katabang, kaglipot mo yung kung sana umuupo ng benye mo, amin ang kabukan nila, magatuha mo, yung kung naman, upo. Salamat po! Pwede naman ikong tulong mag-umailinig sa iyo. Gano mo mag-umanila? Ano iyo? Wanda gano mo mo tama ng dahil. Ibunuskin na nila. Wanda alas po. Ano iyo dapat mo daw ibunuskin? Salamat po sa iyo. Dapat mo yung
sa kanya personally, she learned it from her parents. So, natatransmit siya sa ngayon despite of many challenges. Sa katunayan, actually, out of her efforts, Sir Leo, si Yegas doon sa Opo community, nagpapatayo po siya ng sarili niyang gonobol. Alam mo gonobol? Kasi mas maganda pag you teach the children inside the house. May cultural significance. So, out of the donation ng mga guests, ayun, nagpapatayo siya. I went there just a Sunday. Sobrang na-shock ako for the very first time for the long month. Ay, nakita ko yung house niya. So, sabi niya, by doing it, yung gap on cultural transmission is masolusyonan by having this initiative from, imagine, 61 years old, may initiative pa din. Diba? Ganun kahalaga ang let's also from the young, middle, and then old, and young. Isang ano na siya. Kaya nga sabi niya, sir, nagpapasalamat siya kasi in-invite niyo kami dito na tatlo. Kay Mong Abilianan para to show our culture. Sige, let's hear from the young. Ano mga challenges ng kultura? Mga challenges?
Sa amin in the youth, to preserve our culture, dapat yung mga ginagawa ginagawa ng mga matatanda dapat i-preserve yun, like mga tradition, kung paano sila magsayaw, mag-awit, kailangan i-preserve ng mga kabataan para in the next generation magamit nila.
Yung community, they are known for kawayan. Yung mga bamboo instruments, they are known for that, like bamboo zither, yung kumbi, it's their product. Next.
Mas